What it do, y'all? It's your boy. I am Charlie P, and I'm back with another video. I'm back now. I'm back vlogging. I told you guys, I had my wedding, and I had to postpone, building my car, and basically giving you guys some video footage. But if you want to go see some footage of my wedding or pictures or whatever, I changed my name on Instagram to gbody_cp1. And me and my wife YouTube channel is CA Love. It was CA Love Vlogs, but it's not CA Love Vlogs no more. It's CA Love. So I'm gonna drop that wedding video. You guys can go see that at CA Love on YouTube. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. But I got some great news for you guys with the Monte Carlo right now. But I'm finna get to it. It's right here. I'm back. My wedding. I'm married now. You guys see it. So it's all in now. Definitely with what I got, man, it's great. No, I didn't get nothing done to the car. You guys gonna see what I got. I got a garage. My apartments, they finally, had a garage available. I've been waiting since months to get it. I had this car since April. It's been sitting outside. I don't really like that. But good thing I live in a gated, nice community, so I ain't really have to worry too much about that. But now it's put up, and I'm in Tennessee. I'm in Nashville, so it's November, so it's finna start getting cold. I don't want it sitting outside, even though it came from New York. But hey, let's get to it. Got it started, man. It took forever. It's cold. I ain't started it up in a minute. Golly. It still had that issue. I gotta get it fixed. Yeah, so that hose right there to that the water pump is out. So I'm gonna try to get it to this garage over here. Got that rust spot we gotta get done. Yes, sir. guys, so this is my garage. Here go all my wedding stuff right here. I'm gonna have to move all this stuff around so I can fit my car in here. All right, thank you, man. So the maintenance just came in here and changed my code. They were supposed to change it, but here go a review of it. It's pretty big. I can't show you the other side because, you know, I ain't trying to give away where I live at. But money is here. I'm finna pull it in. Hey, we finna get all the work done in here. You feel me? First time for everything. It's a lot of stuff I'm learning and trying to do. I went to automotive school, but, you know, I ain't really pursue that because it really wasn't making me the money I would need at the time. But I got my own project. We're going to do. We're going to fail. You feel me? That's just life. But we're going to make sure it get done right. You hear me? I'm finna pull it in right now. So look, you guys, I got it put up. I got it in here pretty crooked though, but I ain't finna just trip on it. It's super cold. You could tell I was struggling with getting it up there a little bit. That power steering still kind of bad, and I know it's gonna leak. But they changed my code for me, and it's in here. I can leave it unlocked. I'm finna put my car cover over it. It's so cold. So I got a car cover for it too. Oh, it's right here. Let me put this over. I threw it up under there. My finger's cold. Actually, I'm gonna try to straighten it up a little bit so I can get this. I'm gonna take them other T-tops out because, you know, I got another pair of T-tops in there, you guys. So I'm finna straighten this back out. Yes, sir. So I'm finna go in this trunk, take these T-tops out. I got my other tire. As you know, I'm on a donut right now. Cause that tire, I need all 4 new tires. But yeah, I ain't gotta worry about locking this mug up or nothing no more. Oh, well, locking my garage up for sure. But I'm finna get these T-tops out. Y'all get a time lapse of me doing that. Alright, so y'all don't judge me in that video. I know y'all gonna probably be laughing, but that was my first time ever putting a car cover on. And I ordered this car cover off Amazon. And Amazon said that this will fit my '88 Monte Carlo. Look at it. I mean, it's still garage, but still, I wanna keep it cozy. I need to put a battery tent on here. But look, 2 T-tops. So, it's all there. There go the money. Let's put up. Lights off. Oh, you have to take my antenna off too. Press close. Now, I didn't even, of course I ain't tripping about walking, but I'd have drove the car over here. Now I gotta walk all the way back. But it's cool though. I'm gonna end this video right here. That was my surprise to you guys. I got a garage, so I can show you guys me actually doing stuff, because I know a lot of people in the comments said that they wanted me to actually do the work, which is cool. I want to, but you know, you got to make time for what you like, and my car is what I like, so I'm gonna make time for it. No, I'm not scared to get my hands dirty. I've worked on cars before. I'm glad I got my garage. I can change my brakes on my daily car. I can do a lot of more things with my garage now. So yeah, I'm finna order my water pump, my hoses, my upper and lower hoses, radiator hoses. I'm finna just start ordering stuff. I need to get jack stands. I need to get everything. I got a couple tools, but I'm gonna get a toolbox to put in there. I'm gonna get the whole 9. So you guys just stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment. Leave a comment if you mess with me, rock with me. It's SS gang. So I just want to let you guys know I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Be sure to hit my Instagram. I got a new Instagram name, gbody_CP. So I know the intro, I ain't changed the intro or nothing yet. I'm gonna get to that. But yeah, just stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be sure. I'm gonna let you guys know when I order my parts, so I can let you guys know, because it's cold. I'm gonna have to get a heater in there. But man, yeah, just stay tuned. We out.